thing that concerns me is the left hand finger. Yeah, change that to 2. Why? Because we want to avoid putting our thumb on the black key. It's unavoidable. You gotta move your hand in, and when you need to play the next key, you gotta move your hand out. Okay? Plus, if you put the second finger here, 3, and then 1 will be pretty comfortable here. Okay? 1 here, 2 here. The next one will be 5. Why? It's comfortable to the hand. Yeah? You see that? And then here, I would say just use 2. And then that 3, you gotta use it. Why? That's the most natural fingering. See that? 1, 3, 5. And then you can just sit there without moving. And then I would say jump a little bit a second. And then basically follow the bow. Okay? Put 2 here. Naturally, you should be having 5 right here. Okay? You just play the left hand from right here. Jump. Good. Let go. Good. Third finger. So you don't need to move, right? It's so comfortable. Move your hand a little bit, just a little bit. Second. Yeah, don't count off. Just save some air. You need it later. Go on. Yeah, see? Suddenly you realize, hey, you don't need to move your left hand so much, right? Basically, your left hand is covering like this much distance. That's it. Yeah? Okay, from right here now, without a pedal, you don't even need to count. I just kind of feel the beat, okay? Without pedal, both hands, I want you to get used to the fingering. Here, for the most part, I just a not so intense version of this. It gets more intense here, if you think about it. Yeah? Yeah? No, don't rush. See that forte? See that major forte right here? So here, I would say maybe 1, 2, 3, 1. Now we're gonna read here. You're gonna really put all the power you got in there. Left hand here. Touch it. Yeah. Feel 1 right here?
Yep.
Play 1. And then 2 and 4 will... Yeah, there you go. Get it? I think you're like on 1. Yes. Yes. Okay, now this is a pretty fast song, right? So after you change the finger from today, you need to be very careful with the fingering once you practice for the next few days. Why? Because the scary thing about playing a fast song is not because it's fast or anything. It's about making sure you do exactly the same thing every time you practice. That means use the same fingering every time you play it. Okay? Now, what happens if you use different fingerings to practice that from time to time? Well, when you're performing in front of people or videotaping, you're playing full speed and then you got distracted a little bit and your finger will automatically use a different finger and then you just get stuck. Ooh, wait, hold up. Wait, what? It happens. Okay? So every time you have something fast, remember this, you want to...
Slow fast.
Yes, that's the first thing. And then you also make sure the fingering is the same. Assuming you get a good fingering, okay? Make sure it's exactly the same every time you play it. Okay? And then it's going to be pretty solid. Good, I like the counting. So this week fix the fingering. Okay? And then it should be pretty solid next time. I'll hear that more. Okay?